Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winners drawing for May. We work with the violet dream papers and the free papers, of course. I'm still working on my journal. I worked on it Friday evening during a live with Tamra. I worked on it off camera. It's not done yet, but it will be ready very, very, very soon, I hope. Because I'm also working on the Buzz into Spring journal. But yeah, this is the winner's drawing for May. And I just have this on my desk, so it's a little bit more cozy to look at. But I will switch over to the screen with all the names, and then I will do the winner's drawing. Yes, let me change the setup, and then I will see you back in a minute. So here we are with the screen with the names. I hope you can see. I'm going to spin 5 times. Oh, let me check the sound. One moment. I forgot to put the sound on. Otherwise, it's so weird to hear nothing when I spin. I'm going to spin 5 times. The person who wins can contact me via my Etsy in the upcoming week. And I emphasize on in the upcoming week. If you have a prize, claim it in the upcoming week within 7 days, please. By sending me a text in Etsy via my Etsy store, and you can also include a link of the kit that you want to receive. This month papers are excluded, but there are no papers in this month because we are revisiting papers from the past. So basically any single kit is possible. But yeah, here we go. The first spin. That's really loud. Congratulations, Renee. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. I didn't know this was so loud. Let me change that one moment. So I did change that. And this is the second spin. I was in shock when I heard it. It's so loud. It was on 100% and I switched it back to 75%. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining in and posting. It's still loud. Okay, the second winner is Mira Boersma. Congratulations, Mira. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And this is the third spin. I'm so sorry. I will try to take the sound down in the final video, but I'm not sure if I can. And Cheryl is a winner. Congratulations, Cheryl. Congrats, Cheryl. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. Oh, something's happening. Double clicking. And Karen, congratulations. Congrats, Karen. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. There you go. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but I remove you from the wheel again. Maybe there is a writing error, so it's written different in the previous one. So I have to spin one more time. I'm sorry, Mira, you can only win one time. And the next winner is Sherry. Congratulations, Sherry. Yes, I removed you from the wheel, and this is basically it. So let me switch back to my desk. And just to let you see what went wrong, Mira Boersma is here with not a capital B, and over here she is. That's why these were all removed, but her name was also on there with a different type of writing, and it does see it as a different name. So the winners are Renee, Mira, Cheryl, Karen, and Sherry. So that's, so you know, I checked to make sure everything went well. But yeah, congrats to the winners. Like I said, contact me via my Etsy store by using the contact seller button. Let me know which papers you want to receive. And yes, really let me know this upcoming week, because it is not doable for me to send out papers very, very late during this month. And that is basically part of the rule of being entered in a giveaway, that you contact me as soon as possible this week. So please, please do. And thanks everybody so much for joining in with the challenges, for creating all your makes. Thank you all so much for also joining in with the design team project, because they did a collab, which was phenomenal. And thank you to the design team members that really, made the collab a huge, big success. So thanks you, everybody. And congrats to all the peoples. And I hope to see you joining in the June challenges and, inspire us even more in the Facebook groups. And also a big thank you to the hosting Facebook group, Sophie's Crafty Corner, and to Sister Jam. So Sophie, Dana, and Stacy, thank you so much for hosting these challenges too. So this is it for today. Have a nice Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day or your evening, or maybe you just woke up. Wherever you are, have a nice day. I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay creative, and greetings from the Netherlands. Bye. Bye.